Yeah? When you come here, what do you see here? What do you do here?
4, 5. Negre, Westmoreland, St. James.
No, I don't mean the parish. I mean the
Trelawney.
places then. That's the wrong word.
Everybody can see it. Send me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all be safe, I make you clean so. Y'all be safe, I make you clean so. I grade smoke that flow through the window. Me a overdo it. Woman a fit, love me style, let me smell me cologne from my mind. Love me style, me squeeze your breast, them wet fragile. Me don't love man, so don't love me. Me get y'all easy like don't me. Me want to the y'all out halfway tree. Me a overdo it. Unruly dash, spaceship if far from them can't see me. In the front, man a squeeze up them girlfriend kitty. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky vodka, we no use.
Hey me Jules, hey me new Jules, me old Jules, me in between Jules. We have Mummy back on the channel today. Say hi, Mummy.
Hi, me Jules.
Okay, so today we'll be doing the Jamaica tag together.
Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our life through countless hours.
Cause you know my mom's like my best friend, so everything I do, she does too. Hi.
No, everything I do is she copies.
Yes.
Someone copies.
Okay. Alright, so the first question is last time in Jamaica.
July this year, 2016.
Same for me.
For a month and I think one day.
Yeah. So we went down July and came back in August. Let me tell you, child, I will blip. Oh my god.
Extremely.
I'll try and find a picture.
Extremely hot.
Okay.
Freaking hell,
I'll try and
boy.
find a picture and insert it in the video, but I came back really dark, like proper
Too
black.
hot.
Don't go to Jamaica in July. It's too hot.
If you want to go, if you want to get tan.
Well, if you want to get tanned, go ahead, but
Because that's when you have all the celebrations anyway.
no, it's the end of July.
End of July. Yeah, well.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. You ain't got no cash. You ain't got no dollar. And stay with that drug.
All my independent ladies inside the building right now, let's go, let's do this.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest.
Everybody put the building in here. Put the building. I feel free. Put the building. Put the building. Put the building. Well, you know, so you smell good, sir. Put the building in here. Put the building.
It's
Yeah.
Independence, first part of August. So I mean, if you want to go,
You can
don't let us stop you.
One Jamaican dish you enjoy.
Have to be ackee and saltfish. It's two. And curry goat.
Mom, you said one.
I want to say two.
Okay, well, I can't choose. Well, I can't really choose. My favorite would have to be brown stew chicken, but I think I only enjoy it when I cook it because I know how I like the taste of it. Because normally it tastes a bit, I don't know, but yeah, brown. Oh my gosh, bami. Even though it's not a dish, but Jesus, I would die for some bami.
We have to do it our way. Not with the milk and
Yeah,
all
like
this stuff
mommy
that
fries it.
dry. You have to fry it dry.
Let me tell you.
Whoa, crispy and
Squeeze! Household item that best resembles our culture. I have one. Hold my laptop.
I make it myself. I made this love with my hands. If you're interested, then you can just.
I believe this is the best Jamaican, what is it? Jamaican household item that we own that represents our culture. Let me read it for some of you guys. Okay, it says,
When you come to our house,
it says, remember this, yeah? When you come here, what do you see here? What do you do here? What do you hear here? When you leave here, let it stay here or don't come back here. In Jamaica,
Are we
no come back.
serious?
No come back.
come
Don't come back. If you go check
you're not
business,
welcome.
no come back. Okay, so
Because what happen? You have people who come just to see things and then go back and
chat a
and-
business.
Yeah. So that's right at the door. So when you come in,
See it
If you
here?
pay- if you pay
Big
attention,
and
you'll
bold.
see
Look,
it,
and it
yeah.
says Jamaica. Big and
Yeah,
bold.
yeah,
Alright. Something in Jamaican dialect.
what?
Wow, that's so
How you
like
do? How you do?
That's what.
How are
That's,
you?
no, like proper Jamaican them, mum. That's like.
Yeah, that's Jamaican.
No, but like they mean like Jamaican dialect as in like hot water.
But that's what. That's what. What?
Where I do ya? Alright, there you go. There you go,
What are
guys.
you doing here? That's what she just said.
Translation British. Alright, which part of Jamaica are you from?
Oh, the best place in Jamaica. Guess where? If you're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negril, Westmoreland, up in the hills, Monterey.
Yes, we are from Negril. We are both from Negril. Yes, I was born in Jamaica. No, you don't believe it, but
She was
hey.
born in Savlamar.
I was born in Savlamar.
That's the nearest hospital to Negril.
Savlamar.
So most people born in South, even though they're from other places,
Yeah.
they're born in Savlamar.
Okay, so mum, what do you like most about the Jamaican culture? That is the final question.
The culture is that you're free to, well, in majority of families, you're free to marry who you want to. And I love the bicker. Food, sorry. Food.
What?
Oh my god. I just love the place because it's all over the world. Almost every country know about Jamaica. Yeah, we lick about with Talawa. Especially and Fraser.
We lick about with Talawa. Okay, what do I like about? What I like about Jamaican culture most is the music. For the simple fact that you can be a heathen, a Christian, but even music you listen to will make your mood go from 0 to 100 real quick. Like. I wish you would have treated me like a rock. I would have keep me calm. I wish you would have treated me like a yacht. Best to wait by the waves of a rock. Understand what a woman needs from a man. The way you dip on the streets all the time. Just bear this in mind, boy. These streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that.
Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping anywhere we go. Big money popping.
Don't sing us some Jamaican song. But if we sing them, you gotta get out of those seats and you gotta dance like you're really from Jamaica. Or your parents were from Jamaica, parents were from Jamaica. But I want you to be true to who you are. I've got my mind made up. And I won't turn back. 'Cause I want to see my Jesus someday.
The music is one. The food. The food. Listen, the food is so nice. I would take a trip to Jamaica just for the food. Listen, the food is turn up. I think the music and the food.
Oh,
that's-
and the sea, the beach. Woo. Nice white sun.
Remember the story time? The beach, yes, the beach.
Nice white pretty
The
sun.
beach. I think our culture.
And until, if you see the beach in England, then you'll realize what we're talking about back in Negril. Oh my god.
Okay,
It's
can I finish
beautiful.
that one? One more thing I like about the culture is the story time. I don't know, like our culture, when you actually sit down with certain people and they
Older
begin
people,
to
yeah.
talk about
Well,
their
way back
experience
when,
and
yeah.
stuff, our culture goes way, it's so deep. It is literally so deep. It's so interesting. It's so fascinating. I think people just know us for guns and violence and passa, but the Jamaican culture goes way more than that. Do your research. Do your research. Okay, so what do you miss most about Jamaica?
The food, of course, the beacon.
Jesus, mommy, don't make them greedy. No, sir. Mommy,
I miss my family anyway. I miss my
God
family. I miss my mom. I
mercy.
miss my brothers. I miss my niece and my nephews. My niece and my nephews. I miss the beach. I miss, even though sometimes I don't get to go to the beach and I go there. I just miss the country, you know, where you have the big yard. You can go and run up and down. I mean, you can holler out, "Oh, morning!" Blah blah blah. You know, you have the veranda. You can sit down. You have a tree. You can sit under. Just
Yeah,
basic
you
things like
can
that,
you can
really.
like pick food. Like.
Yeah,
You don't
fruits.
even have to go
Fruits off
shopping.
a tree and eat it straight
Ackee,
away. Yeah.
you got the cherry tree,
Yeah.
you got the coconut tree.
Yeah.
Like Jamaica has
Everything
so
is really
much resources.
That's my headline.
So Jamaica has so much resources, and it's just like it's not, you know, you don't have to go. Sure. So, Mum,
I'll be honest.
which area in Jamaica do you think you are more at peace? Negril, Montego Bay,
Up in the hills
Sa-
of Montier, darling. Negril.
Dockland, Lord God,
Negril.
Lord God.
Negril.
Okay, let's go take this. This should be fun. Can you name all 14 parishes? Let's do this. Wait.
But she's not looking at the film.
I don't know it. I was born there, but I can read it. Mom, I'm Mom. Okay, before I
Okay,
go,
I'm going to embarrass myself. I'm going to try.
Okay,
Not to be the child and
okay,
fail.
this is
Alright?
first. I'm going to correct. Okay, go.
Okay. Westmoreland, that's where I'm from. Hanover, St. James.
No, the parish. I'm the
Trelawney.
places then. That's the wrong word. Sorry. I don't know what I'm doing.
You think she stopped me because I'm talking?
Not the parish.
I think, let me
the
try. I
place.
think St.
Like I mean, like Montego Bay.
The capitals. The capitals of the
Yeah,
country.
yeah.
Okay, so you have Southern Lamar. You have Lucy.
No, name it as well.
What?
Let me go first. Let me
Oh,
try.
let me try, let me try, let me try, let me try.
I'm young. Let me try. Okay. Let me go. Okay. I'll go first. Yeah. Okay. So you got Westmoreland, Savlamar,
You're wrong, Southern Lamar.
Savlamar. Yeah.
Savannah Lamar.
You got St. James, Montego Bay.
No, she's wrong. She's wrong. Let me go now.
Oh my God.
You have
Let me
Westmoreland.
finish.
No,
Let
you're
me
wrong.
finish.
If you're wrong, then the next person gets to go. Yeah. You've got Westmoreland, Savannah Lamar, otherwise known as Sav or Sav Lamar. You have Hanover. You have Lucy. You have St. James, which is Montego Bay. You have Trelawney, which is Falmouth. You have St. Anne's Bay. You have.
You're flop. You're
I
flop.
think we're right. Wait.
No,
I
let
think
me
you
go.
have St. Thomas and more.
14
When you get
parishes,
the parishes, then
yeah?
the capitals.
There's 14 parishes, correct? 14. Okay, there's 14 parishes. Go.
Okay, we're gonna start with.
Oh wait.
okay,
Middlesex County, Cornwall.
You have Middlesex, Cornwall, and Surrey. It's 3 different counties.
Yeah. Alright.
But anyway, we won't get into all that.
No.
Hanover, Lucy,
Then you have St. Elizabeth, Black River,
St. James, Montego Bay,
Trelawney, Falmouth,
Westmoreland, Savannah Lamar,
Clarendon, Maypen.
Manchester, Mandeville,
It sounds so funny, sorry. St. Anne's Bay,
St. Catherine, Spanish Town,
St. Mary, Port Maria.
Kingston Parish, Kingston,
That sounds so. Portland, Port Antonio.
St. Andrew, Halfway Tree,
Popcorn, West Top Boat, Halfway Tree. Okay, anyway. St. Thomas, Morant Bay. And
I never, to be honest with you, St. Andrew, Halfway Tree. That must be a new one. Oh, forgive me, I'm marking up, but I didn't even know say Halfway Tree is a capital for no parish.
oh God, no sir. How are these
I'm gonna
people?
investigate because this is all
Okay, let's say this. What is the capital dish of Jamaica?
capital dish.
They have a capital, not a capital.
It's not called
national
national
dish.
Let me tell you what happened. I think
I need to
it's
go look
Ackee
at
and, it's Ackee and Savage, but
Of
what
course
I
it's
think,
Ackee
I
and
think it's not
Savage.
that anymore. I think it's more like chicken butt now because I love chicken butt. I love Ackee and Savage more anyway. But I think one time Savage was so cheap in Jamaica. I'm not sure about the history to be honest with you. I think it was so cheap at one time and the Ackee you can pick any Ackee anyway. So that's why I'm not even sure. But I know the national bird is the hummingbird and the national flower is the lignum vitae. I have to whisper lignum vitae.
No, say it loud.
Lignum vitae.
Lignum vitae.
If I'm wrong, please forgive.
Oh, what? Me mother, why? Wicked. I'm loving it. Anyways, my Jules, I'll catch you again. Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Man, I squeeze up them girlfriend teeth. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky vodka, we know you.